how to create a sustainable living products store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account in the platform. So just go to the search and type Shopify, then choose the first link, and again choose the first link. Give it a few seconds to load. Then here just click on start free trial, then enter your email and you will have your account created. Then you will be redirected to this page, which will be your dashboard. So guys, this is where you can change everything about your store, and this is where you can customize it as well. So here in your left you have the home, you have the orders. It's where you can see all of your orders. You can see the total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, and in products you will be able to see or to add new products. If you want, you can click on add product. So here you can enter the name or the title of the product, for example t-shirt, and then you'll proceed to the description. You can generate one using AI. You'll just type the features and keywords, the tone of voice, expert, custom, daring, playful, or whatever you like. Then if you have some special instructions, then click on generate and you'll have a great description. Then you will complete the other steps of adding a product. Then click on save to save the changes. So here I don't really want to create a new product. I just wanted to show you how you can do that. What I'm going to show you in today's video is how you can customize the theme that you have. So here let's go to the online store to start changing our theme. So here click on view your store to see the theme that you're using right now. So this is the theme we are using, as you can see. So let's go back and let's start customizing this theme. So here by scrolling down you will be able to see all of the available themes. So here click on explore more themes to proceed to the theme store to see if you can choose a theme that will match our requirements. So here we want to create a sustainable living products store. So let's see if we can find a theme that is related to those needs. So here let's go with the free themes. So we have 12 themes to use. So here let's scroll down. So we have this one, craft. I think it's related to the sustainable living products. So here click on view demo store to see how it's looking like. So this is the theme, sustainably crafted goods to elevate your everyday. So this is the perfect theme that we can use. So here click on try theme in order to have it installed on your dashboard. Give it a few seconds. And give it a few more seconds and it will be ready to be used. So here let's close this one. And here scroll down, and as you can see it's loading, so give it a few seconds. And then we will turn it into our current theme. So here click on publish. Click on publish again. And here it is right now, it's our current theme. So here click on customize. So guys, the thing I like about this platform is that it's very easy to change the design of your online store. You just need to click on whatever you'd want to change, then you will be able to change it in your left. You will not need to search for it first and see where you can find it. So for example, if I wanted to change this specific text, I will just click on it. Then here I will be able to change it to whatever I like. So here let's start first by changing the announcement bar. So here we have welcome to our store, and by scrolling down I'm going to turn on this option, and here I think I'm going to change its color as well to this one, and here I'm going to go back, click on here, I'm going to change it to 50% off today only, like that. Then I'm going to go back and add another announcement. I'm going to go with free shipping worldwide, and here you're going to notice that it's going to rotate every 5 seconds between these two announcements. So here, after changing the header or the announcement bar, let's move on to changing the header. So here, click on the header, and here you can choose the desktop logo position. You can leave it at the top center, or if you want to save some space, you can go with the middle left. And here you will notice that we've saved some extra space, and by scrolling down or by going to the theme settings, you will be able to install your logo. So here, select image to choose the logo from your desktop, or you can just go with explore free images, and here you can choose an image from here to be your logo, for example like this one. I will not advise you to do something like that. Make sure to create your own custom logo. It's very easy. You can just go to canva.com and you will be able to create your logo. And here, after choosing your logo, you will be able to play with the width if you want to have it in 100 pixels or 90 pixels. Let's see how that looks. Or we can just go with 80 or 70 pixels like that. And I'm going to go with this one. So here guys, I think you get the idea. Everything is easy to change in this platform. Just make sure when you're done with making the changes, click on save to save your work. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.